everyone. In previous lectures, we were solved the exercise questions 1, 2, 3. Now today we are going to solve question number 4, that is write the following numbers in words. So we are going to write these numbers into words. Let's see the solution of a numbers. Now we can see that this one is our unit places, this one is unit places, this one is thousand places, and this one is million places. So we can say it as 78,790,000. Question number 5 is write numbers in figure according to international standard. 1,900,000. As you know that 1 million has 7 digits, so we can write it as 1,900,000. This is a unit place, this is a word place, this is a thousand place, this is a million place. So 1,900,000. This one is write it as this. Question number 6 says that write numbers in figures giving the space correctly. We have a number, we given the space is correctly as international standard space. So 700. Count it units, tens, hundred. This is a unit place, this is a thousand place, this is a million place. So we can write it as 700. We can write it as this number like this. This one is unit place, this one is thousand place, this one is million place. As it is, this number is right in this form. Now the question number 7 is similar to the question number 6. So move forward. The question number 8. Write the numbers in figures. 2,500,000. As you know that billion has 10 digits. It means that you have to write down the 10 digit number. So 2,500,000. We can write it as 2 billion. This one is billion, this one is million place, and this one is 500,000. So we can write it as this. Question number 9. Write the place value of the ringed digit. Ring digit place value 513,940,87. We can write it as, so this is a unit place, this is a thousand place, this is a million place. So what the place value of this number? This number has a place value, this one is million, this is a million place. So we can see that this is a million.